And of course, women must earn less than men because they are weaker, they are smaller, they are less intelligent, and they must earn less. That's all.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out here. Driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear. Like an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running.
So the empowerment of women through martial arts for me is not about girls beating up guys. It's about gaining a whole new perspective, knowing that in any situation I'm put in, I have options.
Learning techniques in martial arts becomes so important because whenever your body is your last line of defense, you can help protect it by knowing how to use it.
Martial arts is about challenging myself. Since I've started, I've become stronger every day.
Grab the arm. Just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Nice. Hold it, spread her out.
Pass that arm through. Pass that arm through. Keep going, keep rolling. Mount, go to mount. Keep rolling. Tap.
Transition. Put it back. Scramble to the back. Nice. Hold it. Drive now.
Told my boss that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth. Maybe guilty but proud.
I don't feel the guys treat me any differently here because I'm a woman. We all train together, we all learn from each other. It's a very respectful gym.
Hold on, don't let go.